Hello guys, myself Pankaj and welcome back to Electronics Creator. And guys, in the previous video we was make a perfect remote control home automation system. But it is perfect? No, but why? Because guys, my friends was message me, in your system you control only lights, but in a room we need to control also fan. And in your system you control all appliances only by remote, but in a room we need to control all appliances by remotely as well as manually. So by getting this idea, in this video we are going to make upgraded version or second part of remote control home automation system. So without wasting any time, let's get start this video. So guys, let's see first of all which component we have need to create a new circuit board. For making this project, I am using a lot of component, and in that all I am using as a CPU Arduino Nano. And guys, for manual control I am using 8 channel touch with sensor, and guys we can also use step switches. After getting this all component, I am designing a very simple circuit diagram and starting to build a PCB, which you have already seen. And guys, now our board is ready to program. But guys, before going to programming section, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And guys, you will get more info about this video on our webpage, and that's link given in the video description. You can check it later. In the program, first of all, we need to install a timer1 library in Arduino IDE. So for that, simply go to tool and then manage libraries. And simply search in the search bar timer1. And install this library in your Arduino IDE, but I'm already installed. So then click on close. And guys, if you haven't seen my previous video, so you will also need to install a IR remote library in Arduino IDE. So for that, simply go to sketch and then include libraries and then add zip libraries and go to same folder which you already downloaded from our website. And then select the last zip file and click on open. And then your library will added successfully in your Arduino IDE. And guys, if you're using other type of the remote, simply you need to change my hex value to your hex values. But how you can get your hex values of your remote? Simply for that, first of all, upload this code in your Arduino by selecting the board and port. And then open the serial monitor and set the baud rate as a 9600. And then press any key of the remote, then you will receive the hex value of that particular key of your remote. And get it for hex values and copy it and paste one by one here after the OX. After making this all changes, please re-upload this code in your Arduino. And now guys, our board is ready to test. So let's test it. As you can see here, as a load I am using these 2 fan bulb, and guys as a fan I am using this 100-watt bulb, because if you can control this light intensity, then we can easily control our fan speed. And now I am connecting our system to AC line. And you can see here, when you touch fourth button, then our first light is on, and when you touch once again, then our first light is off. As like this, when you touch third button, then our second light is on, and when you touch once again, then our second light is off. And for fan, when you touch second button, then our light intensity slightly increases, and when you touch again and again to second button, then our light intensity comes towards high. And when you touch first button, then our light intensity comes towards low. And as like this, we can control our fan speed. And guys, also we can control our system by remotely, as you can see here. I hope guys you have learned something new from this video. If yes, so please subscribe our channel and touch bell icon and get notified. So guys, we will meet in the next video with the next tutorial. Until then, take care and bye bye.